Assalamu alaikum to everyone. Inshallah, today we are here to discuss this particular secret. With this secret, it is for when you are in need to bring back your woman. When your woman want to divorce you, or if your man want to divorce you, and you want your man or your woman to come back without you going to apologize to him or without you going back to apologize to her. This is how you are going to use this particular secret to do it, inshallah. And so to do that, you are going to get a goat and you slaughter that goat, inshallah, and you then take the heart of that goat and you take the remaining blood that is still inside the heart and you use that blood to write only the heart mean on a paper, and you fold it and put it into that heart, and you put that heart into a fire, and you will then be doing a zikr of Ya Jabaru, Ya Kaharu, Fabuhita Dazi Kafara 2040. Inshallah, that's how you will do the zikr for 4 days. Inshallah, within that 4 days, that your partner, that your wife, or that your husband will return back to you without you going back to apologize to him or to apologize to her to come back, inshallah. But if you still have any question to ask, you can still ask and let's see how we are going to address it to you. Inshallah. Assalamu alaikum.